Hi, welcome to Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. Today we're making beef stew. Let's prepare 2 pounds of beef chuck and 1 pound of flanken. We're going to be doing a technique called searing the meat. I'm using the Dutch oven. You put your meat in till it gets a nice brown look to it. And then we prepare our spices. Here is the collection of spices that we're going to be using throughout the recipe. Don't forget, we need some beer or a glass of red wine, even a glass of Coca Cola. I'll be using the Dutch oven for prepping the meat and the vegetables. You can use the Dutch oven the whole time, but later we're going to use our slow cooker to finish off the cooking. Here's what I mean by searing the beef. Let it get a nice brown color. Take it out. Now we're going to dice up our vegetables, the celery, the carrots, and the onions. We're going to put them together and then we're going to put them into the Dutch oven. It's going to cook in the nice juices that beef was searing in. And you're going to cook this for about 10 minutes. Afterwards, you're going to take it out, put it in a separate container. Now we're going to put our beef in. And we're going to add the beef stock, the thyme, the salt, the pepper, that smoked paprika, the can of beer, or dry red wine or Coca Cola. Let this cook for 1 hour. There's no vegetables at this time. It's going to cook nicely on your oven for an hour. Here's where the slow cooker comes in. We put a liner in it. You don't need the slow cooker. I like cooking with it because it allows me to walk away from the oven. Here, I'm going to add the beef. The vegetables that we cooked off are going to be added in. Then I'm going to add those nice stewed tomatoes. I put the cover on, I put it on low, and I let it cook for 3 hours. While I'm doing that, I've cooked up my rice. As you can see, it's a little yellow, so I've added some turmeric. I serve it together with my beef stew. And as a family, we enjoy eating in our sukkah. Wishing you all a Chag Sameach.